Welcome back to my channel, FN Tips and Tricks. In this video I am showing how to download and install IDM Downloader 2020, latest cracked version for PC. The download link given in the description. And first of all, subscribe and press the bell button. Subscribe and press the bell button. Let's go. I am already downloaded the software, IDM Downloader 2020. You can download it from the link given in the video description. If you can't reach to my Telegram channel, then go to the description. There will a note how to get into my Telegram channel. First paste the downloaded file in your PC. This is the software. Now disable your antivirus. Follow my steps to disable the antivirus. Click on the hidden icon on the taskbar. Then right click on the antivirus. Then disable the antivirus for 1 hour. I'm using 2 antivirus. Now I'm disabling the second one. After disabling the antivirus, go to the downloaded location, then extract the file. Follow my steps. Right click on the file, then click on the extract here. Now the extraction is completed. After extraction, there you can see your application name, IDM633 build3.exe. Install it. Follow my steps to complete installation. This is the exe file. Now double click on it to start the installation. Now the installation window is here. Click on the next button. Now tick the checkbox, then press next. Click the next button again. Now click on the next button to start the installation. Now the installation is completed. Click on the finish button for exit the window. After some time you will get a new window. Close the window. After closing the previous window, you will get this window too. Close it. After the installation, go to the installation folder. There is a folder name Patch fix serial fixed. Revised. Open it and select the bit compatible for your system. 32-bit or 64-bit. And install it. Follow my steps to complete installation. Double click on the folder. Then extract the bit compatible for your PC. Now double click on the extracted software to start the installation. Now click on the next button, then click on the next button once more. Close the browser window. The installation is completed. Now click on the Finish button. The installation is very simple. The installation is completed. Now activate your antivirus. Click on the hidden button, then select the Windows security option. Now click on the virus and threat protection. Now turn on the disabled antivirus. Now activate the IDM downloader. With browser, open your browser. I am using Google Chrome. To use IDM downloader, follow my steps. Open your browser. Then click on the three dots on the right top corner of the window. Then select the settings option. Now select the extensions option on the second last option of left side. Now you can see the IDM downloader's enabling option. Enable it. After the enabling, a browser will open automatically. Close the browser window. Now the IDM downloader is activated, and you can download file through it. I'm finishing my video. Thanks to all for watching my video. You have any doubt, leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share.